Stick around, guys, and I'll show you what I think is the easiest adjustable pod hanger to make. Let's get started. Okay, to get this line ready, all we're going to do is tie a bowline knot on one side, and we're just going to put a loop in the line. We're going to take the tag in, go underneath. We're going to go around the main line and then back through that same hole. Grab the tag in and the main line and pull. And there's your bowline. And on this side, all we're going to do is put a bite in the line like this, and then take that doubled up line, tie an overhand knot. Just like that. To attach the line to the tripod itself, all we're going to do is take the end that's got the bowline on it. We're going to feed the line through the loop of the bowline, like such. And we're just going to go over top, cinch it down. Okay, now it's time to put our pod on. All we need to do is take the end that's got the overhand knot, feed it through. We're going to take that loop, put it on the line, pull out a little bit of line, put a toggle in there, and then at that point, keep a hold of the tag end, push the stick down, push up on the tag end, and raise the stick up. You go up and down. You can start off boiling, and then when you're ready to simmer, just bring it up a little bit, keep it warm, and it's as simple as that. Thank you all for watching this short video on what I believe is the easiest adjustable pod hanger. If you like this video and want to see more like it, just let me know down in the comments. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and check out my links below. It really helps me out. Until next time, guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.